Hello everyone, let's go to the 55th example. Make a program that reads 8 integers and stores them in a vector. Next, read 2 integers, x and y. At the end, show the sum of the vector elements that are in the x and y positions. So, let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Going on, I am using the hashtag define to define a name. In this case, I am using max, and you can use however the name you want. And using 8, and you can use 7, 10, 8, 9. I will use 8 because the example asks to us to use 8 as the parameter of the vector. In addition, you have to include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 int variables for the vector, the I, which will be the controller, the conditional for the for, the integer is the value of x, and the integer I1 is the value of y, and the sum of these places. So let's go. This printf will ask to you to enter an integer, and keep asking to you to enter an integer as you fill all the vector with numbers. So let's go to this for and look at the conditionals. Here I am initializing the for loop with the value I equal to 0, and until the value of I is lower to 8 on this case, this for loop will continue running, and if the value of I is equal or bigger of 8, this for loop will break. Every time this for loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1, and this scanf will storage the value that you type on your keyboard on the vector in the place on the first time 0, at the second time 1, and it stops in the place 7 because the 0 counts. Going on, this printf will ask to you to enter the value of x and y. Enter the integer value of x and y. And this scanf will storage the value that you type, the two values that you type on your keyboard as the integer and the integer 1. This for loop happens at the same of this one, just with another conditional in the middle. If the value of I is equal to the integer, or the value of I is equal to the integer 1, the sum will be equal to the sum plus the vector in the place I. And this printf will print the sum of the value of the position %d and the %d for the integer and the integer I as the value of x and y is the sum here. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 values. Enter the integer value of x and y. 2 and 7. The sum of the position 2 and 7 in the vector is 11. So let's check. Let's start with the 7. 7 is the number 8. As we remember, this place is the place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the number 7 is here, 8. Plus the value in the position 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.